Hello everyone, welcome back to Tech TV and another easy to follow tutorial on CapCut. In today's video, I'm going to show you how to change background on CapCut, so please make sure to watch till the end. Subscribe to our channel Tech TV and ring the notification bell so that you'll get notified on our next interesting upload. So let's get on with it. At first, open CapCut. And tap New Project. So select the new background for your video. And tap Add. Now tap Overlay. And tap Add Overlay. Select the video that you want to change. And tap Add. Align the background to the video. And adjust the overlay size. Now tap Remove Background. And that's how you change background on CapCut. If you liked the video, please leave a like and let me know if you thought it was helpful in the comment section down below. Thank you for watching and I'll be back with more interesting tutorials soon. Until next time.